Welcome to Willow Creek Hoodoos. Hello.
Ang ganda. Nandun na sila eh. Hindi,
We're excited to tour around this place. And there's a Drumheller Hoodoos here in Alberta. We're climbing up here and look at the formation of the rock.
Ayaw naman nilang paatakan.
Because it's a historic part.
Konti lang
That's
meron.
why. Look at that. Wow. That's amazing formation. Rock formation. Wow, let's touch it. Almost like a lime rock. Oh my goodness. It's a beautiful rock formation. It's amazing rock formation. Let's explore this place. I'm so excited. There's lots of people around. Wow, look at that. Isn't it amazing? Beauty. That's the beauty right there. Wow, how is this rock formation formed? Will they say that's the erosions of the soil? That's why make it a rock formation. Lots of people today because it's cool. It's perfect time for hiking. Look at that formation, guys. Rock formation behind me. It's unbelievable. Amazing. Look at the rock formation here. It's so unique, guys. Look at that. Wow. It's a unique, amazing views. Just like you've seen on TV, the Wild West movie. Seem like they're filming around here. Look at that rock formation. It's unbelievable. Unique. Look at there. Let me take a picture quickly. Like I really wanna touch this rock here and see how solid they are. Let's take a look. Maybe over here. I wanna touch it and I wanna feel it, what it feels like. People say it's kind of a muddy, sandy soil, but Floater said it's, see how soft it is. I want to write down here my name here, but oh, it's sandy, but maybe it's solid underneath. But this one is solid rock. This one. So I want to erase that name here. That is so unique, guys. rock formation, the Badlands. Wow. Hey guys,
Oh my God.
Come here, Claude.
God, you're always out of the
I want to see
action.
how do you feel about the Hoodoos while you're exploring out there?
Beautiful.
The Hooters were exciting to see. The landscape was beautiful.
Yeah,
It's
it's
kind
true.
of hard. Oh, it is
Are you
hard,
happy
but
that we come up here like cloudy, not sunny, like 30
It's
Celsius?
better if it
it's
is
better.
cloudy because it's
Oh,
less
that's
heat
right.
on us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for taking us in Hoodoos.
Yeah.
So
Thank
hoodie
you.
hoodie doos.
Have a nice
Hoodie
vlog.
hoodies. Look
Try
how beautiful I am. That's
again.
okay. That's very important. How beautiful I am.
What